after letting it run for a minute, I decided to clean out the trunk. The carpet's got some stains and the plastic was looking a little bit aged. So this is a before picture. You can see some stains on the carpet and a shot of the plastic. Just faded a little bit, but in this next clip, I'll show you the end result after it's done. It's in pretty good shape, but just doing some cleanup. Just trying to make it look good. It was a nice day out. So let's go to the next clip and you'll see the after. Hopefully it looks good. Turned out pretty well. Cleaned the carpet with some carpet cleaner and then used some like trim restore on this back panel here. It turned out really well. Shined it up and it protects it, keeps it looking good. Nothing special, but it's part of your car, keep it clean. And then here I zoom in and I show you that the taillights are actual Ford taillights. You can see a little Ford sticker in there. Here I'm videoing the engine bay not running. I'm pretty happy with the engine bay actually. The only thing I really want to do other than modifications, exhaust and stuff like that, is the valve covers. They're still original and they're a little crusty. I like to get them out and either clean them or get different ones, either the blue or the black. The ones that say Ford Racing on them, not sure, or if I just want to keep it stock. You see that missing sticker on the front, I'd like to replace it. I love the 4.6 intake cover. And then here's a shot of a before on the inside of where the wipers are, that plastic. I'm going to put some restorer on that and just help protect it. It's starting to look a little faded. This car's 15 going on 16 years old. It's just stuff like that bothers me, and we'll go from there. Here is an outside look of the wiper area, the plastics. Gonna put some restorer on that just to shine it up, make it look better. You can see it's just faded. The sunlight doesn't do it, and a little dirty there, but the after looks pretty good. Can't really see it on the outside, but inside the engine bay, I'll show you, it turned out really nice. So here's the after. It's not very hard to do. This stuff lasts a while. My car is garage kept and undercover, so this stuff will last a long time. But yeah, shined it up pretty good. It's just little stuff like that makes the car pop that I like. I just like a clean car. So here's the inside after. This stuff looks brand new now. I was really amazed how this turned out. I was very, very happy how that turned out. So that's about it for this one. Thanks.